commitment is this person's fear, then become a burden. Just don't open up with this person and make you angry as well. Get rid of this toxic relation. Seek for stability. Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your full moon, bonus full moon reading for the month of January. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these readings. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern, this spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you, what their feelings towards you. Okay, let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? And we are having here Hierophant, the Lovers, the Moon, Nine of Wands. Okay, Nine of Swords. Okay, what are the Leo's feelings, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Seven of Swords, Ten of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Three of Swords. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Five of Swords, High Priestess. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Taurus with this Hierophant, Gemini with this Lovers card, Pisces with this Moon, again Pisces with this High Priestess, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Three of Swords, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ace of Pentacles, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Seven of Swords, Nine of Swords, Five of Swords, Three of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling here. And your person like want you to choose. There is some kind of choices. This person's feel like that you need to choose, and this person need to choose. There is some kind of choices there, and this person like feel afraid of being choosing between you and their third party. This commitment is the clear indication. Just check this pattern. Commitment is this person's fear. This is like choosing is this person's fear. You want this person to choose, and this is their fear. Choosing, commitment is this person's fear. This person is like this causing this person anxiety and depression. Leo, when they think about to choose, they just afraid, and this caused them some kind of fear, anxiety, losing nights, double-minded. They totally lost their senses, and it's become a nightmare for this person. Choice, commitment, this is this person's fear. This is they are so insecurities in this person. They can't leave their first party, their third party. They can't leave it for you. With this Moon card, with this, they can't commit to you, and this is their fear. This person is not stable. This person is not going to give you commitment. This is commitment in this person's fear. They think like that, falling in love. Okay, they fall in love with you and you are their perfect match, but the thing is that this person is not ready for commitment, and this is this person's fears, and this become their depression and nightmare. Choosing is this person's choosing cause them a choice. When they are at the point of choose something, they are this anxiety and depression in this person, and you think like that this person is sneaky, this person is manipulating you over and over again, and that's why your heart is broken here, and you are compressed, and you offering this person stability. You want stability in your life, you are offering this person stability. This is same you want from yourself, and that you offering this person stability, fairness, clarity. This is what you offer this person. A seed grow into a strong tree, a strong foundation to a relationship. You are offering this Ace of Pentacles to this person, and but the thing is that this person is compressing you. Feel some kind of burden. This person become a burden for you. This person's manipulation, lies, the way they are just tricking you, tricking and games, playing games with you, it become burden on your shoulder. You feel like that this person is burden, this person compressing you, and this is how your heart is break here, Leo. Your heart is in pain because of this person, because this person is manipulating you. You are not fool here. You know that this person is manipulating you. And when you tell this person, yeah, you are like manipulative and sneaky, and this person become a little bit, try to defeat you, try to make you prove wrong. This person try to pick up a fight. There is conflicts and fight between both of you. This person definitely going to pick up a fight with you and try to prove you wrong with this five of sword and with this high priestess. This person like become a mystery. This situation become a mystery. You become a mystery. You need to stop asking this person about. You realize that this person is like trying to manipulate you, trying to this person is breaking your heart. So you need to know your value, and you know your value and your worth. Just don't open up with this person. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Leo. What else we have for Leo? And we are having here Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Sword, as an outcome, Ten of Swords. Married, family, this person, there is a third party, and the third party may be that a marriage. This person is married, and they are like in choice, not committing. Everything is clear now. This person is married, and if you want this person to choose you, instead of choosing you, they manipulate you and try to prove you wrong. And that's how they make you angry here. You like totally mad at this person mad at you. This person is after arguing you, trying to defeat you. This person become angry towards you, mad at you, crazy towards you. You drive this person crazy. This person is aggressive towards you. This person love you, this person hate you, and make you angry as well. And there is some kind of conflicts, fights turn into love and a hate kind of situation, because this person really don't want to leave their marriage, family, traditions, religion. There is a difference there, and they really don't want to choose between these traditions, family, and between you. They don't even entirely want to choose this. End with this Ten of Sword, there is some kind of harsh and painful ending in upcoming days. In this situation, is this situation is gonna end in a harsh and painful situation, converted into painful ending with this Ten of Sword. Sadness and depressed ending between both of you. Okay, let's see what should you do, what should you avoid, how to heal, how to deal with this situation, what should you do. And we are having here Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups, Ace of Pentacles again. Just a, be a Queen of Cups. Listen this person, don't respond. Pay attention on yourself, nurture yourself, take care of yourself, love yourself. Do not respond. Don't respond. This person is just love you, hate you, and try to push you, try to compress you, become a burden on your shoulder. All this person is doing is to taking like keeping you in their life, but compressing you as well. So you need to take care of yourself, need to like love yourself. This person is not want to remove you from their life, but they just keep you, but not giving you what you deserve. And you deserve this Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups here. You deserve completion, you deserve completion of love, you deserve this beautiful relationship. You deserve a completion of love. You want marriage commitment in your life. Just think about this beautiful things and take care of yourself, nurture yourself, and fight against all the BS. And this, just try to you need to try to get rid of this toxic get rid of this toxic relation. And with this Ace of Pentacles, find stability in your life. Seek for stability. strong foundation, the person that give you stability and a strong foundation to a relationship. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this situation. You are confused and indecisive because you do not have enough information. Do research or seek expert advice before making a decision. And you are seeking for you right now. You are seeking for a expert's advice, and these cards, your experts, and these cards telling you, take care of yourself, nurture yourself, look, go for completion. Don't be an option to anyone's life. Don't get manipulated over and over again, and don't let anyone to compress you. This is the your expert advice. This is the information you need to acknowledge and you need to imply on your life. Seek for stability. Seek someone to give you strong foundation. Okay, let's see what advice messages I should. Scream out your pain. Give yourself space. No need to fix, need to accept. Make peace with your memories, no matter what, it's good or bad. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person fear commitment is this person's fear. This person breaking your heart, this person compressing you, manipulating you. You need to take care of yourself, love yourself. Don't be an option. Seek for a completion of love and completion of happiness. These are few summaries of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.